black nails, and a studded Gucci belt. Shawty left me all alone, and I hate the way it felt. Yeah, I'm crazy, I should listen to my mom and get some help. I'm a legend, when I die, I'll be the flyest one in hell. Rich jeans, black nails, and a studded Gucci belt. Ripped jeans, black nails, and a studded Gucci.
You landed flat.
For you, bro. After you. All right, so we're thinking, do we want to take the Tesla or the Porsche? Like, what are you feeling?
I'm feeling the Porsche today.
You feeling the Porsche today?
Yeah, I'm feeling.
All right. Let's take the Porsche. We'll take the Porsche. So Cameron's got a flat. I got a flat, and the only bike that's working is Talon's. So the skid steer's got a flat. This blows, dude, because now we gotta fix both of these, and then now we gotta go take off the freaking skid steer tire. Fix that, dude, so we can build a new section on our track, because that's what we're trying to do today. Another homie of ours, Jake, he actually just got a 110, and it's a big bore kit, so it's freaking super fast. So he's gonna come over there today, and then hopefully we'll have this all fixed, and we'll be able to be good to go, and we'll be able to shred. So.
Okay.
Oh, we got some fuel up in here. Oh, bloody hell, mate. Guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. I haven't even introed this. Yeah, we're fixing stuff.
You just introed it.
That wasn't really an intro. I didn't really introduce them, though. I was like, yo, what's up to a video? Now we're introducing them. You know what? You
guys, welcome
intro.
back to the video. Today's video, actually, but not the next one, because this is this video for this. We're fixing the skid steer tire. As you can see, we're going to show you step by step, so just follow along. So what you want to do is you want to get a quarter pounder.
Dude, just cut to the point and just do it. Yep, should be good right there. Oh, damn, that thing's clean, yo.
Yeah, dude.
All right, guys, we got the skid steer tire fixed. We got some gas for the skiddy, got some gas for the bikes, and here we are again.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
And here we go. No more flats, baby. All right, so this is what we're thinking. So that's the triple right there. Land the triple. We make a berm right here so you can kind of hold it wide so it's not a flat turn. Come straight up, hey! And then hold it wide. Yeah, buddy. Shape this out and then have a fat hip jump into a straight bowl corner. Come back down, maybe a little step down and then a right hand berm. And then boom. That's like the new section that we want to add onto the track. So. So we got the new hip somewhat done. We just shaved it out. We still need to make that berm a little better, and then we're gonna add another right-hander berm back onto the finish, and then boom, that's it. So we added this. Honestly, so far so good. We got some people over.
You already know what it is, dude. You already know what we're doing.
What are we doing?
Riding pit bikes and drinking beer.
Yeah. And that literally sounds like a big bike.
Yeah.
It sounds like a full-on big bike. So that's a 143 kit. Yeah. Dude, you can just tell how fast this bike is. Oh! Yeah. Oh! Oh! Dude, that's the third one today. Dude.
Man, we need bread.
Man, bike's too fast. Dude, that thing's so fast you can totally tell. And because it doesn't have a longer swing arm, it just like slides out everywhere. Yeah, I still don't know if I'm gonna do a big bore kit. It'd be sick, but dude, that thing's just like so fast. It's honestly scary because the bike's so small. But I'm gonna throw on the GoPro, put on my helmet, and then I'm gonna rip a few laps. And then we'll check out that new hip on GoPro, so. That double's so much better. So we made the finish line a little smaller because it was super sketchy before, so. Oh! My knee! Yeah, I hate hitting my knee so much.
Where?
On top.
Where at? Like on the track.
Oh, after the triple, the left-hander. Dude, you don't think these things are dangerous, man, but I tell you, if you start riding them fast, it's like, yeah, these things can get pretty gnarly. You should throw on the GoPro and then hit that hip because you're the only one that's getting like dirt nasty off of it. I don't know how you're doing it. That's gnarly.
Oh, shit. Damn. Oh, that was a good one. Damn. You good, bro? Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude. Man down. Man down. Oh, he needs to chill. That's like 6 pulls today. Yo. What did I just missed it? You good?
Yeah.
You good though?
Yeah. I don't rack my head though.
Are you good though? Yeah, you should probably just chill.
Yeah, let's do it again.
It's in slow motion, but
Front tire cased it. Yeah.
You got out of it good. I thought you just went like head first though.
Oh no, my head did slap.
oh yeah, right here. I'm missing them.
Fall in love with a young nigga like myself. And I've been thinking about you, nobody else. And my love is good for the conversation sometimes overrated. Don't wanna seem impatient, but let's get it straight. Don't need to wait so long. We got all night, I know. I can hardly focus. Can you poke it out for me? Can I give it to you? Show you how you can take it all. Wanna break you off. Relax and unwind. And let me take my time. Tell me, do you wanna fuck with a young nigga like myself? Could you ever fall in love with a young nigga like myself?
Who's doing it? I ain't doing it. I'm out. I'm out of the equation on this one. So this is like an old lip that, who built this? Taryn built this.
I think so.
Taryn built this like a long time ago, way back in my videos. I'll throw a clip in. Basically been sitting here ever since. Are you guys sending it into the berm or just over the hill?
No, I think this way because that has a lip on it. So right here. Bug you.
Dude, that was steep already though when we were hitting it over the hill.
Look at this guy, he's ready.
He's going for it. All right, AJ's going for it first. You don't want goggles? Wait up. Hey, am I chilling right here? Because I don't want to stand like too.
You're good, you're good.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh!
Oh! A hot lap. So he's thinking about jumping over the hill now?
Yeah, he said it's too
As long
small.
as you don't land there, man. Shoot. Oh, the lip's too small?
No, he said the jump was too small, so he's got to go 20 feet that way.
Yeah, okay. Oh, no! Are you good?
Yeah, let's go! Hit it again!
Are you good though? Yo, what? Does it hurt now? You feeling it?
No, I wouldn't hit it again.
This poor bike, man.
Oh,
This poor bike.
Basically the first ride on it.
First ride down
Yeah.
the fresh pit bike and
You guys got a breaker in pretty good the first time.
I think I took about like 10
a
spills.
little too broken in at this point. Here we go. Fix her up.
Good to go.
All right. All right, I'm gonna get a better angle. I'm gonna stand up here.
Hey.
Oh no! Oh no! Alright, we just call it good, dude. That was you honestly got out of that a lot better than it could have been.
Professional crasher, that's
Casey,
for sure.
we're gonna call those.
Oh my god.
Come on, Jake.
You need to be in the vlogs more often, man. Shoot.
You good?
Yeah.
You landed flat.
Yeah.
That was
I mean, you got out of it good.
Yeah. Almost.
I thought you were just gonna land in here.
Yeah, I was like,
No, that's right. As soon as I hit the lip, I was like, oh man, we're going straight for the hole. Because if I'm gonna land on that, I'm just gonna get bucked. So. Yeah. Look what happened. I've had my fair shares of crashes on a lot more bigger jumps than this.
Dude, both you guys today, man. Shoot.
Third time's the charm, dude. Come on, you don't get it now.
Dude, another one bites to this.
Yeah.